Hi guys, it's Chloe and Carla.
Hi, at the moment, we're going to dress up our cat Aiden. By the way, he's a boy and we have so much pink dresses and stuff to dress him up in. And it's going to be really, really funny. So I hope you guys like our video. Now, let's start.
By putting on this dress.
Yeah. Quick hold him. Run away. So guys, this is Aiden in his dress.
And now we're going to put him in this dress.
Yeah. And if you want to say this is funny, just tell us in the comments below, okay? If you think it's funny, tell us what your favourite bit was in the comments. So everybody, that's Aiden with his dresses on. Now for the last part, a lovely scarf. Ta-da! So what do you guys think of Aiden?
Cute, isn't he?
And I want to say something, like a really good thing. So if you guys liked this video, just give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. If you give
And
if you give us a thumbs down, you'll regret it.
Yeah, you'll regret it.
If you have a cat, if you want to make a YouTube video like this, just dress your cat up, film it, and then we'll be able to see it.
And here's the final look of what the cat looks like.
Yep.
He
Oh, by
looks
the way,
so
guys, I
happy.
want to show you something.
What?
See, on my phone, if you look carefully, that's Aiden with socks on his paws. Okay, so do you like, let's tell us if you like this photo of Aiden with socks on.
And that is it for today's video. And we're going to be doing one at midnight.
Yep, at midnight. Oh, by the way, the cat's going now and he's walking around in his dresses.
Oh, you should see the cat. Okay guys, this is it for today's video.
Keep on filming him.
Bye.
Keep on filming him.
Say bye.
Oh, bye. Keep on filming him. It looks so funny.
Let's just watch him walk away. Okay.
So
Bye guys, see you at midnight.
See ya, and I hope you like our, hang on.
Bye.
And I hope you like our video.
Bye.